A sector has arc length of 6 feet and central angle of 1.2 radians. Find radius of the circle and then find the area of the sector. So I will divide my page into two columns over here. Now I will read the question again. A sector has arc length of 6 feet. So what I came to know from this is that the question is talking about length of the arc. So I'll write it over here. Length of the arc is equal to what? 6 feet. We have been given in this question. And central angle is 1.2 radians. So from my prior knowledge, I know my formula for length of the arc is S is equal to R times theta. And 6 feet is what? It will come over this part. R, I have to find the radius, but I've been given central angle as 1.2 radians. So I can solve this equation. Okay, I can rewrite it like this also, 1.2 times R. So it will look like an equation to me. So I will divide both the sides by what? 1.2. So I can get my answer 1.2. Okay, I will erase this part over here just to avoid any confusion. So I'm dividing both the sides by 1.2 over here. So divide by 1.2. So when I use my calculator, 6 divided by 1.2, 6 divided by 1.2, it gave me the answer what? It gave me the answer 5. So the value of R is what? The value of R is what? 5 feet. Now I have got the answer for radius of the circle. Check. So second part says what? Second part says find the area of the sector. So area of the sector. To find the area of the sector, what I need is first of all the formula 0.5 r square theta. So let's start substituting the values over here. 0.5 times r square is 5 square times theta is what? 1.2 radians. I do not have to change it to anything because it is already in radians. If it was in degrees, then I have to change something. So I will type all of my values in the calculator to get my answer for this. So it's my 0.5 times 5 square is what? 25. So I will write 25 over here. Okay, not division sign. This is a multiplication sign over here. Multiplied by 1.2. So my answer for this is 15. So this will be yours 15. Now keep in mind, since you are finding area, your unit should be what? The square. So 15 feet square, this is your answer. How I got feet? Look over here, I have been given this unit as feet. So my answer is 15 feet square. The central angle of a sector is 60 degree and the area of a circle is 144 pi. What is the area of the sector? So I will divide my sheet in two sections over here. Now they are asking from me to find what? Area of the sector. So let me write it over here, area of the sector. The formula to find area of the sector is 0.5 r square theta. So let's start typing the value 0.5. So can you tell me what is the value of r? No, we don't know. So I'll draw a box over here. Since it is square, I'll write square over here times theta. Theta means central angle. Yes, we have been given the value of theta is 60 degrees. Now keep in mind, whenever something is in degrees, this means when central angle is in degrees, you will change it to radians by multiplying by pi over 180. We have to do this each and every time. Are we missing something? Yes. What are we missing? We are missing radius. Let's go back to the question and see, have we been given any other information? Yes. We have been given this information. Area of the circle is what? 144 pi. So we will use this information to solve or to find the value of unknown quantity, that's your radius. So area of the circle we have been given to is 144 pi. So what is the formula to find area of the circle? So this is the formula to find area of the circle, pi r square. I will equate both of these quantities over here and I will see how I can solve this. Yes, What I can do is I can cancel my pi with this pi over here, and r square is equal to 144. Now I will take the radical on both the sides. Now value of r will be what? 12. Now this tells you that this value of r we can use over where? We can use in this box over here. So we will be able to find the area of the sector of the circle. Keep in mind our question was saying what is the area of the sector using all the information which they have provided us in different manners. So it will be looking like this to you. So I will type each and every term in my calculator. So and let's see what is our answer. So this is your 0.5 times 12 square times 60 times pi. So shift and I'll use this button pi divided by what? 180. So my final answer is this, but I will press this button over here. My answer will be 75.39, 75.39, and my unit is centimeter. It will be centimeter square. Okay, because I got the centimeter from here. Alright, this question is from the concept of length of the arc. An arc is 70.7 meters long. The word long tells you that this is the value of length of the arc. N is intercepted by central angle of 5 pi over 4 radians. Find the diameter of the circle. So keep in mind what they are asking from us. They are asking from us diameter. What is the formula to find diameter? The formula to find diameter is 2 times radius. Okay, so if you know the radius in this question, you can find the diameter over here. Do you know radius? No, but we have been given this. So we have been given length of the arc. What is the length of the arc? We have been given 70.7 meters. What is the formula to find length of the arc? R times theta is equal to 70.7, which we have been given. What is the value of radius? We don't know. But we know the central angle 5 pi over 4 is equal to 70.7. How I will solve this equation? First of all, I will be getting rid of 4. Let me write it like this. 5 pi r over 4. So what I will do first of all, I will be multiplying both the sides by 4, so I can get rid of what? 4 over here. Cancel out. And afterwards it looks like this to you. 5 pi times r is equal to 70.7 times 4. Now what I need to do is I need to divide both the sides by 5 pi and 5 pi. So which will give me what? Which will give me the value of radius which we are looking for. So let's type this in the calculator. 70.7 times 4. So this is your 70.7 times 4 and divided by what? 5, and the symbol pi we get in our calculator is by pressing shift and this key over here. 18.0 or 18. So we just take 18 meter and this is your radius. Now what we need to find? Do we need to find radius? No. Our initial question was to find the value of diameter. Diameter is what? 2 times radius. So I'll write over here what? 2 times 18. So my diameter is what? 36 meters. This is how I got the answer.